name is Isaac Oriana. Today I'll be completing a 1020 system complete measurement. So first, do our landmarks. I already had the Nazian mark, but we're gonna make the Nazian the Indian. Indian is the indentation behind the back of the head. The little bone there. Then the preauricular left, preauricular right. It would look like. And first, you're gonna do your sagittal measurement. You take it from the Nazian to the Indian. I get 31. So then you're gonna mark 3.1. And then from there, you're gonna do double that, so it's gonna be 6.2. And then another 6.2. Then another 6.2 from there. And then one more 6.2. And then you're gonna get back to 3.1 once you reach down here. So it's all gonna look like. You can see that. Now we're gonna do the coronal measurement, where you take it from preauricular left to preauricular right. It could be from whichever, but it's usually how we go. And then you go through CZ and back to it. I get 31. So I'm gonna do 3.1. And now 6.2. And then another 6.2, and then this is where we're gonna mark the middle of this head. Then another 6.2. And then one more. And then this is what it would kind of look like. See this. That's what it would look like here. Now we're gonna do the circumference measurement. We're gonna make a little line at this middle right here of the head. That's gonna be our FPZ. And we're gonna go around this head now. I get 53. So you can do half of 53. So that would be like 26 and a half. Then you're gonna do another, you're gonna times that now, which would be 53 there. So you can do that. And another 5.3. Then another. And then one more. And then this will give us our 01. And 2.65 right here. Like, this is what this looks like so far. And now we're gonna go to the other side, and it's the same thing all around. .65, 5.3. 5.3 again. Another 5.3. and then it kind of just all goes around like that. And it'll all kind of look similar. Make these lines now a little darker. See that? Alright. Now we're gonna do the parasagittal. So we're gonna take that now from FP1 to O1. That's how it would work. So I'm gonna make this little line right here. Keeping that through there. And I get 22. So then 22 divided by 4 would be like 5.5. So do 5.5 there. Another 5.5. Another 5.5. Then boom, mark that off. So that's what it would look like. Now we're gonna take it down to the other side, FP2 to O2. 22 again, so it's the same thing. It's all kind of gonna be the same. So again, 5.5. That right there. That's good. Another 5.5. Another 5.5. It's all gonna look like this. Once you do that, you're now gonna do the horseshoe, where you take it from F7 to F8. So we're gonna make this little line right here. And we're gonna take that now to the other one. Going through FZ, kind of like a horseshoe, you can see that? And I get 20. So 20 divided by 4 would be 5. So we're gonna mark 5 now. Another 5, and then it shows us as well that it is the middle of the head. And another 5. And then one more 5 as well. And so it all looks like this. And now we're gonna take it out to the other side. T6 to T5. Going through PZ. And I get 20 again. It's all the same stuff. Gonna mark that 5. Gonna mark that 5 again. Reminding us that this is the middle of the head. Then another 5. And then one more 5 again. And it's all gonna look like this, and then this would be a complete measurement. See that? I'm gonna make this line's now a little darker. So yeah, so all it would look like. Make this there a little darker. All right. I'm gonna put the midline electrodes on. I'm gonna apply the midline electrodes. So I'm gonna prepare the skin. use our paste, keeping them all facing towards the back. So this would be our FZ. This would be CZ. And this would be our PZ. So applied all midline electrodes. This is the complete measurement.